One.
One.
Two.
Two.
Three.
Three.
Four.
Four.
Five.
Five.
Six.
Six.
Seven.
Seven.
Eight.
Eight.
Nine.
Nine.
10.
10.
11.
11.
12.
12.
13.
13.
14.
14.
15.
15.
16.
16.
17.
17.
18.
18.
19.
19.
20.
20.
Let's learn A to Z.
A, B, C, A to V.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B. B for banana.
B for banana.
C. C for cat.
C for cat.
D. D for dog.
D for dog.
E. E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F. F for fox.
F for fox.
G. G for grapes.
G for grapes.
H. H for hat.
H for hat.
I. I for iguana.
I for iguana.
J. J for jeep.
J for jeep.
K. K for kid.
K for kid.
L. L for lion.
L for lion.
M. M for mango.
M for mango.
N. N for nose.
N for nose.
O. O for owl.
O for owl.
P. P for pineapple.
P for pineapple.
Q. Q for quail.
U for quail.
R. R for ring.
R for ring.
S. S for star.
S for a star.
T. T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U. U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
V. V for van.
V for van.
W. W for whale.
W for whale.
X. X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y. Y for yogurt.
Y for yogurt.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.
Bye.